How you doing, YouTube? I haven't made any videos in a while. Everything's fine. Just busy as usual. My wife, she's about ready to go into labor with my son, like any day. So it's been go, 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 trying to get these trucks done, trying to get equipment done. Tried to make a video for you guys Monday. I was on a 2000 Pete. I was out on the road. Fan blade exploded and took a radiator out. Fan exploded. Blade went through the radiator. Couldn't video there. Made a video for you guys today. I was in the middle of making it. It's on a 555 John Deere track machine, track loader. But guy didn't have parts, so no sense me staying there and doing that. What else is going on? I was working on this ISX. Excuse me. I was gonna make a video on Monday for that one, but I had too many people show up and too many phone calls. So, but I gotta finish this ISX up. Actually, I'm done with the ISX, the engine part of it. I gotta finish the shift tower on it. I had junk shift tower on it and got a new shift tower. I normally rebuild them, but it's just easier to get a shift tower this time. And the shifter itself is junk. The bushing's bad in it, so I don't buy shifters. I'm not spending $300 for a piece of metal. So I buy a weld-on kit. Just rebush kit and pinned. They're like $50 and get them from Fuller. I'll give you guys the part number on them. They pretty much fit any shifter. But I'll show you this ISX and then I'll show you that. Alright. The exhaust manifold bolts broke in it. So pull the exhaust down on it and drill them out, reseal it. I replaced the exhaust from the turbo downpipe all the way back. Now this is a dual exhaust system, all the way back to the left stack. Everything was rotted or broke, so I did that. Truck didn't have any headlights, so that was just a fuse. I gotta put a bushing in the brake pedal. Brake pedal has some slop in it. That's about it for this one. But I'll show you this weld on end, and then I'll weld it on, and I'll get back with you. This is the weld on end. This is the old piece. They go on the end of the shifter. Now there's normally a little bit more to them because I cut them off long and then I do a finish cut on it just to make sure I got as much shifter there as possible, because you lose a little bit of height. You lose about 3/4 of an inch. But you burn that, you cut that one off with a cutoff wheel, and then you get this one and see there's the little nuts right there. That's because I take a cutoff wheel and I lay them in place where it's got to go, and I will notch the new one and the shifter so everything's aimed. You're over there, Grimes. So everything's aimed when I put it together. And then I'll clean that all up with a flat wheel. I'll weld it together. And I'll put it on that shift tower. So the reason I'm doing it outside is I got better light out here. Just blew a light. 10-year light, yeah, my ass. Local excavation company had it going by. But I will get this done for you, and I'll get back with you. Alright, give me a minute. Alright, can you see there? Let's get this thing ready. Okay. One shifter ready to go back into service. Alrighty. Have a good one. See ya.